Hello guys, my name is Nana Kwejosafo. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Kwejosafo Studios. I'm right here at Gomoa and Pota, where the Kantanka Assembly Plant is. Yes, so today I'm going to take you to where we assemble the vehicles. A fleet of vehicles are being assembled here. Kantanka Onantefo, Kantanka Omama. From here, these are some of the bodies over there. So we are going to walk you through the Kantanka Automobile Assembly. So you've been seeing Kantanka Onantefo. This is the grey. Yes, this is the grey color of the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV vehicle. I had an opportunity to be here with the School of Arts and Sciences. So I decided that why not? Let me just showcase to you the Kantanka Assembly Plant. So these are a couple of vehicles available, and these are some of the people. So this is it. So this is the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV vehicle. Yes, Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV vehicle. We have the grey color, we have the white color, we have the blue color. We have the blue color. Just recently, you witnessed that I told you Kantanka has been able to reduce its prices. Initially, this vehicle was 528,000. Yes, 528,000. Currently, it is 428,000. There's been a reduction of 100,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, 100,000. So this is it. This is how luxurious the vehicle is. The Kantanka Assembly Plant. Yes, the Kantanka Assembly Plant. This is a 7-seater vehicle. It uses petrol as its fuel. It is a 2.0 engine capacity vehicle. So come. So this is the interior of the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV vehicle. Yes, the interior, like very nice, very beautiful. This is so nice. This also comes with a sunroof, exactly what you're seeing over here. This comes in with a like in a sunroof or with a sunroof. I've displayed this in most of my videos for you to see everything. So today I'm at the Kantanka Assembly Plant, and this is Kantanka Omama pickup truck. I know recently you people have been asking me when is the K71 coming. You've paid for your vehicles and all that, but I just want you to stick and note this for me. K71 will be in very soon. I wouldn't want to give any timeline, but if you want K71, you should understand that it maintains its price 280,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, 280,000 Ghana cedis. You can contact the Kantanka Automobile Showroom on 0242 037 429. Today I don't want to talk much, I just want you to have a feel of how the Kantanka Assembly Plant is. So that is the Kantanka Omama pickup truck, the black one. And this is the Omama pickup truck, the white one. So if you've been watching us, the Omama pickup truck, the white one. So if you want the white one, that's how it is over here. So you can tell that they are working over here. Come, I just want to show you the whole thing. So this is the assembly plant. This is where everything. So you can tell. So this is the body of the Omama pickup truck, the trunk, or yes, the trunk. So this is one. The Omama pickup truck, it comes in black, it comes in white, it comes in gray. So this is the gray. This one is a 2.5 engine capacity vehicle. Initially had its price as 528,000 and is now 450,000 Ghana cedis. 450,000 Ghana cedis. There's been a reduction of 78,000 Ghana cedis. Like I said, you can call the Kantanka Automobile showroom, or you can actually call me on 0547462581. Call me and let's talk business. You can tell this place is the spraying booth. The spraying booth where they spray the vehicles. So that is how, or that is exactly what it looks like over there. The spray booth. I really wish at the time we were here or we came here, there was a vehicle that they were spraying, but it is rather unfortunate. So enjoy a very good scenery of the Kantanka Assembly Plant. Yes, Kantanka Assembly Plant. This is a short video that I just wanted to do for you to have a feel of how everything is going down over here. So they are displaying a car. So I want you to display the ring. Okay, let's go. So in every Kantanka vehicle, we have these boys, the reverse boys, that notifies people when it is actually going on a reverse. Like anytime the car is going on a reverse, this voice plays just to notify them. It is a safety feature. Yes, it is a safety feature, which is in every Kantanka vehicle. Yeah, so I don't want to talk much. Like I said, go to the Kantanka Automobile showroom on 0242-037-429 or call my business line on 0547462581. Kantanka has Kantanka Obrempong, which was initially 688,000, now 588,000. Omama pickup truck, exactly what you saw, exactly what you've seen on the screen. That one was 528,000, now 450,000. Onantefo 7-seater SUV is was 528,000. Is currently 428,000. It's only K71 that maintains its price. K71 will be available very soon. So they are still assembling. I don't want to go and show you, but they are still assembling. So you see that. I love you very much. Thank you very much. If this is your very first time, please do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload. Like this video and also comment for me. Thank you very much. Bye. I will take pictures.